Are you overwhelmed by your next big project in Fort Myers, Florida? Say goodbye to chaos and hello to comedy with Big Dawg Dumpsters. Picture this: your backyard looks like a scene from a disaster movie, and you're the star running around in circles. But fear not. Enter Big Dawg Dumpsters, with dumpsters so big they could house a family of elephants. With our larger-than-life service, tackling that clutter has never been more entertaining. Whether you're remodeling your home, cleaning the garage, or overseeing a construction site, Big Dawg Dumpsters has your back, or should we say your trash. Ready to dive in? Call 743-244-3294 or visit www.bigdawgfl.com to book your dumpster rental in Fort Myers, Florida today. Fast, easy, and with no hidden fees, because who needs surprises when you've got a dumpster as big as your dreams? Don't let the mess get the best of you. Let Big Dawg Dumpsters fetch the best for your mess and turn your cleanup into a comedy show.